In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Monday.com. Setting up recurring tasks can save you a lot of time and make sure you never miss important deadlines or regular responsibilities. So let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to Monday.com, open up your preferred web browser and type in the Monday.com URL. Once you're there, you'll see the login option right in front of you. Simply click on that to proceed. If you're using Google to manage your account, all you need to do is click on the Google login button and select the Google account associated with your Monday.com profile. This makes logging in super quick and easy. Once you're logged in, navigate to your specific board where you plan to set up the recurring task. If you have multiple boards, just choose the one that's relevant to the tasks you plan to automate. This is where we'll be setting up our automation, and it's crucial to be on the right board to keep things organized. Towards the top right corner of your board interface, you'll see the option labeled Automate. Go ahead and click on that. Automation is a powerful feature in Monday.com that allows you to customize workflows and, as we'll see shortly, create tasks that occur repeatedly without manual intervention. Next, you'll want to click on Create Automation. This brings up the Automation Center where you can tailor workflows according to your needs. Here, you'll have the chance to set the parameters that define your recurring tasks. You'll now see a variety of triggers and actions. Begin by clicking on When This Happens. In the search bar, type in Every, which will bring up options for periodic triggers. Click on Every Time Period. This is what allows you to set how often the task should recur, whether that be daily, weekly, monthly, or something entirely custom. Set your preferred occurrence. Whether you want it every day, week, or month, choose what fits your workflow best. Then think about what action you want to occur once the time period is met. This will often involve creating a new task or possibly moving items around depending on your workflow needs. After fine-tuning those details, click on Create Automation to finalize everything. With this, you've now successfully set up a recurring task on Monday.com. It's really that simple. Recurring tasks are now active, and you can go back to focusing on more pressing tasks, knowing that these items will automatically recur as scheduled. And that's a wrap. Now you know how to set up recurring tasks in Monday.com, making sure you stay on top of your responsibilities without having to think about the repetitive ones every single time. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.